Hey everyone, today's product review is all about the Reserve Collection by Create Flooring, a luxury vinyl product that offers premium quality without the premium price. Let's get into it. The Reserve Collection features luxury vinyl planks that are 9 inches wide and 60 inches long, giving your space that high-end, expansive look. With an overall thickness of 12 millimeters, these planks provide a sturdy, comfortable feel underfoot. Plus, the 4-sided natural pressed bevel enhances the realistic wood appearance, adding depth and character to every plank. When it comes to durability, the Reserve Collection delivers. With a 22 mil wear layer finished with aluminum oxide, these planks are built to withstand everyday life, whether you have kids, pets, or heavy foot traffic. The embossed and registered texture gives it an authentic wood feel, making it not just look like real hardwood, but feel like it too. And the best part, it's water resistant, low maintenance, and even provides acoustic benefits, so you can enjoy a quieter, more peaceful home. Plus, it's hygienic and FloorScore certified, meaning it meets rigorous indoor air quality standards. Worried about installation? Don't be. The Reserve Collection features a user-friendly click system for simple floating floor installation. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or hiring a professional, the process is hassle-free, saving you time and money. Peace of mind is important when investing in new flooring, and the Reserve Collection has you covered. With a 35-year residential wear warranty, a 15-year light commercial warranty, and a lifetime structural warranty, you can feel confident that your floors are made to last. And let's talk about style. The Reserve Collection is available in 5 timeless colors designed to complement any home aesthetic. Bernhardt, a rich and warm tone for a cozy feel. Mason, a classic neutral shade perfect for any room. Chantilly, a soft, elegant hue for a bright and airy vibe. Dawson, a sophisticated deep wood finish for added luxury. And Avalon, a versatile and modern option that suits any decor. So there you have it, the Reserve Collection by Create Flooring. Stunning design, outstanding durability, and affordable price all wrapped up into one incredible product. Whether you're renovating your home or upgrading a space, this flooring checks all the boxes. If you're ready to transform your home with the Reserve Collection, click the link in the description below for more details. Thanks for watching. See you next time.